Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up shipping rate by weight in your Shopify store. So if you want to set up your shipping rate by weight in your Shopify store, here's a simple guide you can follow to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open your Shopify admin. So once you open it, then log on to your Shopify admin panel, then click on the settings in the left hand menu, then select the shipping and delivery. Once you do that, then create a new shipping zone. Once you create it, click on the manage under the shipping zone, then click add shipping zone and name it. For example, you can simple name the weight. You can name based on the weight based shipping, and after that add a shipping rate. So for you to be able to add a shipping rate, click on add rate and select weight as the rate type, then set the weight range. So for you to be able to set the weight range, you have to enter the weight range and corresponding shipping rate. Once you do that, save your changes. So for you to be able to save your changes in your Shopify store, click on save to apply the changes, and your Shopify store is now set to calculate the shipping rate based on the weight of the item. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.